Hans-Joachim Stuck. You know I've been a race car driver for 43 years in my life. And today I have the pleasure to introduce the new Škoda Octavia RS 230. Gentlemen, start your engines. The Škoda Octavia RS 230 has a really cool engine. 2-liter TSI, 230 horsepower. And now here look, 230, 240, 250. And now we hit the speed limiter. This is the first Octavia with a speed limiter of 250 kilometers. Look at the new design. Everything in black. The grille, the front and rear spoiler, the mirrors, just fabulous. The RS seats give me great protection here on the track, and with their nice red leather trim on the side, really looks nice. The Maxidot has a lap timer, and I tell you something, it's always encouraging me to do better and to improve myself. Here they are coming, the new 19-inch wheels in the black design, perfect. Look at the big brakes and the red calipers, and when you see those, then you know the RS is coming. The bigger brakes of the RS 230 give me the chance to brake much later before I turn the car into the corner. And this makes me faster, of course, and gives me a lot more safety. Did you hear this unique sound? This is due to the newly developed special exhaust performance system. If you think a sporty car has no luggage room, then you are wrong. Almost everything fits in there. Luggage, bicycles for the family, whenever you want, whatever you want to do. With this car, you have the right one in your hand. Pressing the RS button is magic. It gives me everything in sportiness I want here on the track. You don't have to turn the wheel so far if you are cornering. And with the VAQ, with the electronically controlled differential lock, there is no understeer at all. You put the throttle down even in a tight corner and the car pulls out just like nothing. Speed and racing is truly my life. Today was a fantastic day with the new car, and I'm proud to be an ambassador for this new fantastic Škoda RS 230. Now it's your turn. Have fun.
Škoda. Simply clever.